In today's video, I will walk you through how to create and post manual journals in Xero. To begin, click the plus icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This menu gives you access to several actions you can perform within Xero. From the list of available options, select Manual Journal. This opens the manual journal template, where you'll enter the details for your journal entry. Once the template opens, it's time to fill in the journal information. Take your time while completing each field and make sure the information you enter is accurate. Enter the details of the transaction you want to record. This includes the accounts involved in the journal entry, the corresponding amounts, and, if needed, a description that provides context for the transaction. Carefully review each field as you complete it so your journal entry reflects the correct information. Continue entering the required details until the journal entry is complete. Before moving on, go through everything you've entered one more time to make sure the accounts, amounts, and other information are correct. After you've finished entering the journal details, complete the journal entry so it can be posted. Once your journal has been created and posted, you can review it through the reporting section. To do this, move to the top of the Xero interface and click Reporting. Inside the reporting section, select All Reports. This displays the complete list of reports available in your organization. Browse through the available reports until you find the journal report. When you locate it, click to open it. The journal report displays a list of your journal entries, allowing you to review the transactions that have been recorded. Once the report loads, look through the entries and locate the manual journal you just created. Review the information shown in the report to confirm that your journal entry has been recorded correctly. Check that the accounts, amounts, and other details match the information you originally entered. If you regularly create manual journals, returning to the journal report is an easy way to review your previous entries whenever you need them. It provides a centralized list of your journal records so you can quickly verify that your entries have been posted as expected. Whenever you create another manual journal in the future, you'll follow the same process. Start by clicking the plus icon. Select Manual Journal, complete the journal details, post the entry, and then review it by opening the reporting section, selecting all reports, and viewing the journal report. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Xero tutorials and helpful guides.